Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today for our Sprint 1 retrospective. Our project focuses on the Deacon unit site where we worked on to implement core functionalities to and set up the initial design structure. During this presentation, we will review the work we have done in Sprint 1, the challenges we faced, and outcomes we achieved. Sprint 1 laid the foundation for development of the site, focusing on basic UI components and content integration, which we will discuss in detail. We aim to provide insights into our workflow, task management, and collaborative efforts that contributed to the sprint success. Uh, my name is Shwet Upadhyay, and I am joined by my teammates Lamia Tabassum and Naga Nikhil Vupalanchi. Now let's take a look at Sprint 1 backlog. The primary focus of this sprint was on implementing some fundamental components that are crucial for overall structure of the website. The key features we worked on included adding a table to the unit details section. This was core feature for displaying key information about the units. Implementing the header and logo, adding content and link for fees payment. Each of these tasks contributed to building the foundational elements of the site. As shown in the Trello screenshot, these tasks were organized and tracked throughout the sprint, ensuring that they stayed on schedule and met our goals for the sprint. So, throughout Sprint 1, our team worked on several critical activities. The first major task was setting up the table to display unit details in a clear and accessible format. This involved designing the table structure and ensuring content was well organized. Next, we focused on implementing the header and logo, which was essential for maintaining the visual identity of the site. We ensured that header design was aligned with Deakin University's branding guidelines, contributing to professional and cohesive appearance. We added necessary content to the site, finally, including a link to fees and enrollment page, which serves as a key navigational element for students, and staff. Naga Nikhil Vupalanchi served as the team lead, managing overall project logistics and overseeing task distribution. He ensured that our sprint remained on track and facilitated communication among team members. This clear division of responsibilities allowed us to leverage each team member's strengths and complete the sprint efficiently. To ensure, to I served as the front-end developer, focusing on the implementation of the table and content elements. This involved creating the structure for the unit details section and ensuring that all content was correctly formatted and accessible to user. Lamia took on the role of the UI designer and was responsible for integrating the header and logo, ensuring design consistency across the website. Her work was essential in maintaining a cohesive visual experience and aligned with university's branding.
In this project, we relied on several tools to streamline our workflow. MS Teams was primarily a communication platform, Trello helped us manage tasks, and GitHub was crucial for version control. These tools enabled us to collaborate efficiently and keep our project on track. For Sprint 1, our Sprint 1 was guided by user stories. One key story was to display unit details in a clear and accessible table format. Another focused on ensuring the university's logo was prominently displayed in the header, aligning with university's branding. These stories drove the tasks we completed during the sprint. From these user story, we extracted specific features like unit details table, the header with the university logo, and content during, including a link for fees payment. These features were prioritized to establish basic structure and visual elements of the website. In our sprint planning, we use Trello to assign tasks based on each other team members' expertise. We ensure the balanced workload and clear accountability. The screenshots here shows how Tasks were distributed and tracked throughout the sprint.
Hello, my name is Lamia. I will conduct the rest of the presentation. As previously said, we use Trello board for assigning tasks. Here's a closer look at our Trello board. You can see how tasks are moved through from the backlog column to the in progress column and finally to the completed columns. This visual representation helped us keep track of our progress and ensured that all members were aligned. During our sprint 1, we faced few challenges such as ensuring design consistency across the website elements and balancing the workload among the team members. Uh, we addressed this by conducting regular reviews and reallocating tasks as needed, which helped us maintain quality and efficiency. Based on our experience, we recommend regular communication to maintain consistency, keeping your project management tools up to date, and being flexible in task assignments. These practices helped us navigate challenges and maintain momentum. Hopefully, it will be helpful to other groups as well. To summarize our sprint 1, it was a productive period where we made significant progress on key elements of the website. Moving forward, we will continue building on this foundation in sprint 2. Thank you for attending our presentation.